Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how you can connect Trello to your Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, log into your Trello account and open any board you want. After opening the board, look for the Calendar option and click on it. If you don't see the Calendar option right away, click on the Power Ups drop-down and turn on the Calendar feature from there. Once the calendar is enabled, click on the option that says Sync to Personal Calendar. A URL link will appear on your screen. Simply copy that link. After that, open your Google Calendar. On the left-hand side, scroll down to the Other Calendars section and click on the plus icon. From the options, select From URL. Now paste the Trello link you copied earlier and click on Add Calendar. Wait for a few seconds, and your Trello board calendar will be added. For example, if your Trello board name is Content, you will see the same name added as a calendar in your Google Calendar.